We can create analysis layers in Surfy that will allow us to qualify the spaces according to different criteria and to accumulate the information of these spaces. For that, we're already going to go to Administration, Analysis Layers, and we're going to create a type of analysis layer that corresponds to the nature of the floor. For example, while the analysis layer would be carpet, tile, lino. So I'm going to create a type of analysis layer that I'm going to call, for example, Wi-Fi reception. We will then create analysis layers that will be good, bad, average, and that will relate to this type of Wi-Fi reception analysis layers. I can give a display order in order to sort the different qualifications on the parts. And I can donate a building. If I give a building, the layer can turn into an assignment layer to receive the assignments of the different rooms in a neighborhood, for example. If I don't give a building to this layer type, the layer type will be present on all buildings. I'm validating my creation, and I'll now be able to change the type of Wi-Fi receive layer. To create an analysis layer, here I'm going to be able to give the name of the layer incorrect. I'm going to give it a color, in this case a green, and I'm already on the type of Wi-Fi reception analysis layer, so I'm validating my creation. My layer shows up here. I can now create medium reception with an orange color. I validate the creation, and I can create bad in red color. I validate the creation. I now have my 3 analysis layers for the Wi-Fi reception layer type. I can go back to my main page, refresh, and now going into a floor, I click into a room, and I'm going to be able to edit the room and give it the matching layer in Wi-Fi reception. I have a good reception here, for example. I can go directly to the next piece to give the qualification for this type of layer as well. Here, bad, for example. Here, bad. And here, average. Once my parts are qualified, I can refresh, and in my analysis layers, I have an additional layer which is called Wi-Fi reception. When I call him, I have the reception of my documents as I have qualified them. With the accumulation of information for good Wi-Fi reception, I have 2 rooms, 22M2, the number of workstations, the number of assignments, and the corresponding ratios. I can have as many layers as I want. They'll add up here in the Analysis Layers page.